is for apple on the tray. B is for ball bouncing with game. A is for apple on the train. B is for ball bouncing with game. C is for cat cute and sweet. D is for dog with little feet. C is for cat cute and sweet. D is for dog with little feet. E is for elephant big and gray. F is for frog hopping away. E is for elephant big and gray. F is for frog hopping away. G is for giraffe reaching high. H is for have one under the sky. G is for giraffe reaching high. H is for have one under the sky. I is for ice cream, a tasty delight. J is for jelly beans, colorful bright. I is for ice cream, a tasty delight. J is for jelly beans, colorful bright. K is for God soaring in the air. L is for lion with roaring glare. K is for kite soaring in the air. L is for lion with roaring glare. M is for monkey swinging in a tree. N is for nest where birds can be. M is for monkey swinging in a tree. N is for nest where birds can be. O is for orange shoes, see and run. P is for panda, black and white unbound. O is for orange shoes, see and run. P is for panda, black and white unbound. Q is for wilt, keeping us warm. R is for rabbit with ears that charm. Q is for quilt, keeping us warm. R is for rabbit with ears that charm. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train chugging with might. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train chugging with might. U is for umbrella keeping us dry. V is for violin playing a lullaby. U is for umbrella keeping us dry. V is for violin playing a lullaby. W is for wagon rolling on a track. X is for xylophone making music so wet. W is for wagon rolling on a track. X is for xylophone making music so wet. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with a black and white gown. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with a black and white gown. So from A to Z in this fun ride, we've explored the world in